We did see from early Spanish explorers the enslavement of indigenous peoples, and we saw the kidnapping of indigenous women. They did not consider Indian and indigenous people to be humans. They considered them to be a lower form of life.
Often it's depicted that, well, Europeans come in and basically, the Indians are helpless after that. That's certainly not the case at all. And particularly since we know that the Cherokees and other Indians ended up destroying the forts after 18 months. They had agency, they had power, and they used it.
So for Cherokee people and other indigenous people in the Southeast to strike back and destroy those forts, in my view, it looks like a defense of our homeland. I see it purely as defense.
When they met these new people, they didn't shrink away, they didn't try to avoid them. They were not afraid of these people. Had they known the kinds of things that could come in later times, I'm sure they would have acted very differently. But their habit was to be peaceful and to cooperate until such time that that wasn't working.